What's up guys, welcome to Thrive Daily. In this video, I want to share with you 6 ways I went full-time on YouTube and earned over $5,000 per month. As a content creator, it's essential to have multiple income streams to maximize your earnings and make a sustainable living from YouTube. So whether you are just starting out or looking to scale your channel, these 6 methods can help you achieve financial freedom and turn your passion into a full-time career. Sounds pretty good, right? The first way to make money on YouTube is through monetization. This means you're allowing YouTube to display ads on your videos and you get a portion of the revenue generated from those ads. And to be eligible for monetization, your channel needs to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours of time in the past 12 months. The secret to maximize your earnings is to focus on creating high quality content that attracts a loyal audience. This will naturally encourage them to watch for longer periods of time. Second on our list today is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is when you promote someone else's product or service and earn a commission from any sales made through your unique affiliate link. Try saying that 3 times fast. That's hard. All jokes aside, this could be a great way to monetize your YouTube channel, especially if you have a specific niche or area of expertise. In my opinion, one of the most popular affiliate programs has to be Amazon Associates. Next on our list is selling merchandise. YouTube has a merch section, which means you can sell your merchandise directly on your YouTube channel. This can include branded t-shirts, mugs, stickers, and other things that your audience might be interested in buying. Sky's the limit on this one, really. To maximize your earnings, focus on creating merchandise that aligns with your brand and resonates with your audience, and you're good to go. You can also use platforms like Teespring, Merch by Amazon, or Redbubble to create and sell your products, which I recommend checking out. Next on my list is digital downloads, and one of my personal favorites. Digital downloads are another great way to monetize your YouTube channel, and it's super easy to get into. This can include ebooks, courses, printables, and other digital downloads that your audience might be interested in buying. For example, graphic designers can always try selling Photoshop templates. There's so many platforms out there that you can use to actually create digital downloads, one of my favorite being Gumroad. Next on our list today is sponsored content, which is similar to affiliate marketing. Sponsored content is when a brand pays you to create a video that promotes their product or service. Major difference between affiliate marketing and sponsored content is with affiliate marketing, you get paid every time somebody buys something. And with sponsor content, they usually pay you up front. And to attract sponsorships, focus on creating relevant content that aligns with your brand and attracts a loyal audience. And this is why it's important to have a niche. Pair all that with YouTube memberships and you are good to go. YouTube memberships are a way for your fans to support you financially by paying a monthly subscription fee. In exchange for this membership, they get access to exclusive content, badges, and emojis. The only thing with this one though is you do need 30,000 subscribers in order to actually become eligible to use YouTube memberships. With this one, you want to maximize your earnings by focusing on creating exclusive content that only those members have access to. Those are 6 quick ways to make $5,000 per month as a content creator on YouTube. Remember, these are the methods that help me go full-time on YouTube and turn my passion into a career. I truly hope you found this video helpful, and if you have any other tips or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Remember to thrive daily.